Wild Apple Homestead. Today I'm sharing one of our favorite fridge-friendly recipes, a refined sugar-free blueberry jam that uses a handful of simple ingredients and beef gelatin for a perfect spoonable texture. It's sweet, clean, and part of how we teach real food skills in our homeschool. Let's get into it. Today we're making a refined sugar-free blueberry jam using beef gelatin, a simple, healthy spread that takes just 20 minutes and is perfect for the fridge. Start with frozen blueberries and lemon juice and cinnamon if you're using it. It adds a nice depth of flavor. Simmer until the berries break down and get juicy. Sweeten naturally with honey or maple syrup, no refined sugar needed. While that simmers, bloom your gelatin in cold water. This gives your jam a classic spoonable texture without needing pectin or tons of sugar. Stir the gelatin into the warm jam and mix until smooth. Let cool, then pour your jam into a jar and refrigerate. In a few hours, you'll have a thick, glossy jam that's perfect on toast, yogurt, or by the spoonful. Real ingredients, naturally sweetened, and kid approved. And that's it. A naturally sweet, fridge-stable jam that comes together in under 30 minutes. If you're looking for clean recipes that you can make with your kids as a part of your homeschool curriculum, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you get notifications. We post new videos every 2 weeks with everything from recipes, homeschool ideas, and updates on our journey to build a family homestead. Thanks for watching Wild Apple Homestead. We'll see you next time. Bye!